Most e-commerce systems excel at managing product data and capturing transactions, but were not designed to handle today's demand for dynamic, highly personalized customer experiences. With its best-in-class Headless CMS, third-party connector packs, and the spearheading Headless Accelerator, Magnolia sets a new standard for creating a modern, content-driven commerce experience. Seamlessly merge brand and product information and empower your marketers to control the entire shopping experience from one single interface, without the need to toggle back and forth between tools. Marketers and digital merchandisers can pick and place products in Magnolia directly from your e-commerce catalog to create stories around products and pages with true call-to-action capabilities. They can easily build entire campaigns with what you see is what you get editing, scheduled publication, and multi-device preview, and use our live copy feature to effectively roll out globally across multiple sites that share similar content without duplicating efforts. All this and more without any developer support. Extend Magnolia with minimal effort so you get up and running quickly with your custom use case. Our connector packs accelerate integration and help connect your disjointed systems into a unified platform. Marketing automation forms, assets from your DAM, products from your PIM, data from your analytics tools are all accessible in the Magnolia UI for you to create rich experiences which translate into converted sales and customer acquisition. You don't have to ditch your existing technology investments in order to build a modern experience for your customers. Magnolia fits into your existing infrastructure, allowing you to build a future-proof digital platform with best-of-breed tools. Want even more speed? Start developing your storefront with ready-made functional UI patterns for a faster go-live. Our Headless Accelerator has an extensive library of high-quality components that work with the CMS and Jamstack, ranging from complex navigation to hero areas, shopping carts, and more, ready to be styled and made your own. We've done the heavy lifting for you. Whether it's your online shop, blog, country websites, or other channels, you have one set of reusable UI patterns across all these different touchpoints, ensuring true consistency across the entire buyer journey. One design system, one workflow, any front end. Give your marketers and developers the tools they need to do content and commerce in the same way, and deliver harmonious multi-channel shopping experiences from product description to checkout with Magnolia for e-commerce.